Hi, and welcome to Inspire DIY. My name is Max, and today I'm going to be doing a special woodwork project, which is going to be a bath caddy. So, typically I don't really do a lot of woodwork during the winter times, but this is a very special project, so I'm going to be utilizing a couple of tools as well as a couple of woodcuts that I have available. Okay, so I stopped by at the Home Depot the other day, and I picked up this piece of 1 by 10 by 6. It's actually longer than this, but I had a custom cut to size of about 29¼ inches. So if you want to work on this project yourself, you would definitely have to measure the size of your tub and see how it fits. The tub that for this project is going to go on is actually about 29 inches. And the reason why I cut it a little bit longer is to leave the margin of error, but also, as you can see here, they got these labels and stuff that I want to cut it out a little bit further. But I'm actually going to be using this hand planer to do so. And that would take off a 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch from each side. So that would fit perfectly. And if you don't have a hand planer or any special tools, you can just cut it perfectly to size as well. And you can skip all these stuff. And the rest will be just, I have a gel stain, I'm going to put a walnut gel stain over. And just level it off with the mineral spirit and polyurethane to coat it. And you definitely want to use a good wood finish here because it's going to go over the bathtub, and then when the moistures get into the wood itself, it is going to start to warp the wood. So you definitely want to be careful of that. So with this bath caddy, what I envisioned, which I'm not sure I'll be able to do, is to cut this piece shorter so that we act as a phone stand, and then I'm gonna borrow my neighbor's tool to use a router and create like a slot so that the phone or a tablet can go here, and then maybe add a piece of wood in the back so that it will stand up. And then I might also use a router to create like cup holder space around here, or like candles here and there. And the last thing you definitely need is a cordless drill, because or you can use a corded drill as well, but you can't make drill holes without a drill, right? So yeah, I'll just move outside and get started cutting all these stuff up. Hello, just want to show you real quick. So I picked up this Ryobi router that I'm trying to figure out how it works and everything, but it was an open box for 25% off, which is perfect for this project. And I already measure out the part where I'm gonna route this. So I'm gonna make this into like a slot, and also I'm gonna try it with this freehand routing for the cup holder space. And we're also going to be adding this handle here so you can kind of carry it and stuff like that. So we'll get right into it. Okay, so it's been a couple of days and I have not had the chance to work on this project at all because it's been pouring a lot recently. But I basically finished staining this with the gel stain, the walnut color that I wanted. And I'm also using the wipe-on poly. I did about 2 coats already and then I sanded down just a little bit more. But before that, since it's sunny out, well, kinda, I'm gonna be putting the dowels in and also glue this part into here, let it dry, and then I'm gonna put the final coats of the wipe-on poly. But because this project is a bath caddy and it's gonna go over the bathtub where it's gonna be exposed to a lot of moistures, I'm also gonna be spraying polyurethane. I'm probably gonna do about 2 coats of that as well, just to keep it very water proof or water resistant.